it is! Oh my god! Oh my goodness. Like damn, bro. Holy damn. Oh, in the damn what's this? 3 tornadoes at once. 3
Is capable of
tornadoes.
producing strong to violent tornadoes. Take cover immediately if you're in the path of this storm.
Wait, I think I'm actually wrong. Hold on. Look at this. Sally's. Look at that. That's a lot now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tornado in day 2. But day 1. Oh, come on. Oh man. Wait up there. Maybe I just leave the game. Or I just keep playing the game. Where is this? Tick. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, the fire! Come on, I'm waiting. Oh my god. I'm waiting, dude. I'm trying to chase that tornado, and he just kicked me out of the server. How crazy is that? Okay, Jamal, moderation and moderation. Where's this moderation, dude? Don't tell me the owner kicked me just to play the game. An interception. Dude, let me tell you something. I'm still trying to join the game, bro. Let me in, bro. Let me in. Let me in, dude. Oh, come on, don't tell me it's shut down. Oh, isn't it? Wait, so that. Come on. Give me that bad. Give me that bad. Dude. Well, I'm just gonna play the game instead. I was gonna play this one. Oh yeah, this one. Please don't tell me the games. Yeah, man.